Namaste. I am explaining Uddiyan Bandha. For yogis, Uddiyan Bandha is very important. Must understand Uddiyan Bandha and must to apply while you are practicing. Uddiyan means is flying. Uddiyan means is up. And this is how to do Uddiyan Bandha. So you begin with the Bahya Kumbhak. You hold breath out, and then body start to make vacuum, and then your belly goes in. So that is the first step. Also, in Uddiyan, before Uddiyan Bandha, Agnisar Kriya is really helpful. Agnisar is like you stand up, you open your legs a little bit, slightly bend knees, palms on your thighs, hold breath out and make your belly in and out in one breath. So that is called Agnisar Kriya. I will make another video of Agnisar Kriya so I can explain more deeper there. So for Uddiyan Bandha, Bahya Kumbhak, second step to doing the Agnisar Kriya. And there is a 3 yoga pose are so good to preparing for your Uddiyan Bandha. One is Ardha Mastendrasana. Second is your Dhanurasana. Third one is Manduk Asana. These are 3 yoga poses are really good for preparing for your Uddiyan Bandha. How you do Uddiyan Bandha? So you do like a Kapalbhati or Bhastrika. You go breath in and out, then exhale all the way empty. Hold breath out and you pull your belly in and up. So when you do this, Mool Bandha automatically happen while you apply Uddiyan Bandha. And then you apply Jalandhar Bandha. So then it's become all 3 logs, Mool Bandha, Uddiyan Bandha, Jalandhar Bandha. Then it's become all 3 logs together. Some yogis call this practice Mahabandh. So Uddiyan Bandha, when you apply, there is a few technical things. Hold breath out, pull belly in and up. Now same thing, you lift rib cage and lifting internal costal muscles up. While you applying that, Uddiyan Bandha, keep shoulders relaxed. Apply Jalandhar Bandha, touch the chin to the throat and feel like you are vacuuming. You're sucking your thumb. So that is become Uddiyan Bandha. In beginning, it's a little bit helpful when you press palms to your knees, when you pull your belly in and up. It just gives a little bit help to go belly in. But as you get better practice, so then you don't need to pressing knees down and your hands on the knees in Jnana Mudra, and you use internal muscles, abdominal muscles in and up to pulling energy from root to your third eye. And Uddiyan Bandha, if you're holding more than 10 seconds your breath out, it is quite good. You should apply. And Uddiyan Bandha is the one actually raise your Kundalini energy. Uddiyan Bandha is the one actually heal your every organs of your body. Uddiyan Bandha is the one actually work to make vacuum in your body, to pull the toxic out from your tissues and cells, and to recharge with the pranic energy when you inhale. So Uddiyan Bandha is very important. Thank you very much. Namaste. Namaste. You're very welcome to Akhanda Yoga YouTube channel. I'm very proud of you, your deepening yoga practice. Well-being is your birthright. I really like you to join free online platform. There is a beginner to advanced, hundreds of yoga videos, Kundalini Yoga, Raj Yoga, Yog Nidra, Pranayama, many videos are there. I'm really looking forward to practice with you there. Hari Om.